Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone X is updated and backed up, because restoring settings can be disruptive. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and low power mode is off so processes complete uninterrupted. Now go to Settings and check Display and Brightness. If True Tone appears, toggle it off, then on to Test. If the toggle is missing, you'll move into Calibration and System Reset steps next. This first phase ensures you can safely apply deeper fixes. You now perform the calibration and system-level steps to restore True Tone functionality. First, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. This clears display profiles without erasing data. Next, open Accessibility, right arrow Display and Text Size, and disable color filters. Check Reduce White Point is appropriate, and test automatic adjustments. Then perform a soft restart by powering off, waiting 30 seconds, and powering on, because you finish by verifying software and hardware if True Tone still fails. Reinstall iOS or enter DFU mode to rule out a corrupted system image. Make sure you have a backup first. Inspect the top lens area for dirt, adhesive, or screen glass damage that can block the ambient light sensor, and clean gently if needed. If software reinstall doesn't help, escalate to Apple support or an authorized repair. A faulty sensor or logic board requires professional replacement. Remember, thorough backups prevent data loss during repairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.